back to my channel. In this episode today, I'm going to show you guys how to clean 100 spoke chrome rims with 2-inch Whitewall tires using this basically traditional house products such as Dawn dish soap, Ajax. Obviously I'm not going to mix those together, I'm going to use them individually. I've got my safety gear, safety glasses in case it splashes. I've got this, I'm using this as my ear protection, a backpack blower to dry the rims after I've hit them with the soft brush. Also, if you have a large compressor and an air nozzle, you can use that as an alternative to the air blower here. But it's real important to get these dry right after you're done washing them so they don't spot up, and it saves a lot of time on making them look good. So without further ado, we're just going to put a couple of squeezes in here. That's all it takes of that. Okay, and we're going to fill this up. A little backstory about me. I was a detailer, a professional. I did different NASCAR circuits. I worked at the Dallas Cowboys Stadium. And anyway, it was a really cool experience. I'll attach some pictures to this video so you can see some of the stuff that I took care of out there. It was, you know, different stock cars and stuff like that. So we're going to get us a good amount of water in here. And just for time's sake, I'm just going to put, you know, basically the minimum of what I need. So another alternative too is you can use a scuff pad instead of this. In fact, I usually prefer that, but I didn't have one. So, okay. So the first thing I go after is I go after the white walls. So let's move some of this stuff out of the way so hopefully you get a pretty good view of them. Look, I mean, they're really dirty, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip this in a little bit of soap and water. I'm going to sprinkle some of the Comet on it, or Ajax, whichever one you want to use. Okay. We're going to wet the tire a little bit, like so. And then we're going to commence the scrubbing. Get that good and applied around them. A little bit more. Okay, that is looking good. All right, now we're going to take our soft brush. Set for a little bit. I like to take it and hit it one more time. Okay. that done. Simple microfiber, the bit of spray wax. Run that up this chrome rim. Put a nice little coat on there to protect it. That centerpiece. Okay. That's it, guys.